Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today I have my son Drake with me and we are going to be taking a look at the Osdom Gaming Keyboard. What we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn this over to Drake and let him show you some of the gaming highlights to this keyboard, how it actually types, how it works. He is the gaming pro in the house, so he's the best person to actually show how this works. So I'm going to step out, grab the camera, and kind of bring it in a little so he can explain how this thing works.
Alright, so from first glance, it looks like a very good keyboard. It has some weight to it, which is what you want in a keyboard. You don't want it sliding around all over your desk. First, let's go over the sound. Sounds great. It has this cool RGB into it. And if you don't know how to change the RGB, there's this cool guide right here. Just take a look at it. It tells you all of the controls right here, all the function keys, everything you need right here. It also comes with this user manual. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C port that you plug in right here. And you can either use it plugged in or with your battery. The battery lasts about 700 hours not using it and about 80 hours while in use. It also comes with these two switches as well as a switch puller and a keycap puller.
So Drake, why would you change the keys out?
Well, I like the design of these keycaps, but they do have the lettering on the side, as you can see here. Sometimes people might want to change the color or have the letters just on the top of the keycap, make it easier to look at.
Oh, that's really cool. So Drake, can you show us how it actually works as far as typing?
Yeah, so we'll go here.
That is very quiet. Actually has a really cool sound. Oh, you are actually typing the real words? I'm impressed. Drake, can you go ahead and give us a quick demonstration on how a game actually works with this?
Yeah.
Very cool. So Drake, what did you actually think of the system?
Well, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, I would definitely give it a 5 because of how sleek the design is and how good it sounds, and also can't forget the weight of the keyboard.
Right. And don't forget also the fact that it's wireless so that you can actually move it around. Doesn't this work between several systems?
Yeah, it actually works between 5 different systems. You can have it connected to 5.
Oh, that is awesome.
Now, hopefully this helps, and we'll see you on the next one.